Hello children, good morning all of you. Today I am present here with a new topic of your practice book, that is conditional. Have you listened this word? The topic last chapter of your practice book, that is conditional. Okay, condition means a case. Okay, एक case बनता है. That is called condition. There are four types of condition children. Zero condition, zero conditional sentence. Okay, zero conditional sentence. Now, first, second, third. Okay, first conditional sentence, second conditional sentence, and third conditional sentence. There are four kinds of conditional sentence comes under it. Okay, so how can you understand the conditional sentence? Suppose if I, अगर मैं आपकी मदद करूं तो आप मेरी मदद करोगे. अगर मैं आपकी मदद करूं तो आप मेरी मदद करोगे. तो मैंने कंडीशन लगाया ना, I just put a condition कि अगर मैं मदद करूं तभी आप मदद करोगे. तो this is the condition. Okay, तो मैंने एक कंडीशन रखा कि if I help you then you also you help me too. Okay, so this is the condition. So just make some sentence and understand this. The topic conditional. Okay, first one is, there are four formulas children. So first formula is if plus present indefinite, present indefinite plus present indefinite. Okay, I have written here if. ये if जो है condition है, if और when you can put here. Okay, if present indefinite, then the answer will be also in present indefinite. Okay, if you questions in present indefinite, okay, if your case is in present indefinite, then your reply is also in present indefinite form. So just understand with examples. One example. Okay, if it rains, अगर, if का मतलब है अगर बारिश होती, if it rains, okay, the ground gets wet. Okay, condition is if it rains, अगर बारिश होती, then the answer will be what? The ground gets wet. अगर बारिश होती तो grounds तो wet होता ही. So this is the first zero conditional sentence. Okay, this is comes under zero conditional sentence. So second one, if plus. You can also prepare in this first zero conditional sentence so many sentences. If I win, comma, if I win, अगर मैं जीतता, I get the prize, मुझे प्राइज मिलता. Okay, so in this type you can make the sentence in this. If present indefinite, present indefinite. Today you also in previous video you see the video of sentence tense also, so you are clear, I think so. If present indefinite plus future simple plus future indefinite. Okay, future indefinite में will का use करते हैं. Okay, so if present indefinite indefinite plus future indefinite means if I go to shop, अगर मैं shop जाता हूँ, then future indefinite the reply will be I will buy chocolates. Okay? अगर मैं shop जाता हूँ तो मैं क्या खरीदूंगा? I will buy chocolates. I will buy baskets. I will buy toys. Okay? Anything you can write. So first sentence if in present indefinite, then the next sentence will be in future indefinite in conditional sentence. Okay, first conditional sentence, zero conditional sentence. Then if your question will be, if your case will be in present indefinite form, then your answer will also in present indefinite form. Now first, second. Now comes in third condition. Third condition, if plus past indefinite, then your answer will be in I would. Okay? So, would plus verb first form. Okay, base form. Base form means first form of verb. Present, past participle form. So, it is present in first form, present form. So, would plus verb first form. How you will make sentence in this? If I won the match, अगर मैं मैच जीता तो क्या करूँगा? I would buy a mall. I would buy a ticket. I would buy anything more. Okay? So, if I won the match, I would buy a mall. This is the third conditional sentence, third type of conditional sentence. Okay, first is present indefinite plus present indefinite with if. Condition is if. If it rains, the ground gets wet. Zero condition. First is if I go to shop, I will buy chocolates. Zero first. Second is if I won the match, I would buy a mall. Okay. Now next one, children. You can also make zero first second. Okay. Zero first and second condition आपने पढ़ लिया. Okay. Now third condition. What will children? Third condition is if plus again past perfect. Okay, past perfect plus if the condition is in past perfect, then you can get reply in could, would, could have. Would or could, you can use could with have. Okay, have plus verb past participle form. Past participle form. Verb in each form. Past participle. Present past. Past participle. It means ki verb third form you can use. Would, could, have plus verb third. Examples. How will you make sentence? If I past perfect sentence, if you just recall that if I had saved money, okay, you can use if I had saved money, then what will you can write? Comma, I would have what I would have bought. Bought. Okay, I would have bought a car. So, verb third form here I have to take it bought. Buy, bought. Okay, if I had saved money, I would have bought a car. अगर मैं कुछ पैसे जमा करता तो I would have bought car. तो मैं कुछ खरीदूंगा कार. Okay, I would have bought car. मैं कार खरीदूंगा. Okay, so this is the third condition, children. So 0, first, second and third condition. There are the fourth condition in conditional sentence. 0, first, second and third. Okay, total four condition are there. In first condition, if present indefinite plus present indefinite. In second, if present indefinite plus future simple, you have to use. Okay, first condition. Second condition, if past, again you will have to use past simple plus would, could plus verb first form. Okay, now third form is if past perfect, would, could, have plus verb third form. You have to recall this in grammar, children, and the chapter conditionals you will do easily. Okay, children, thank you. Bye bye.